Myself, Dr. Siddharth Taneja. I am a senior pulmonologist in Maharaja Agrawal Hospital, Punjabi Bagh. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic which is new to make you understand why you should consult a chest specialist. What are the conditions in which you should show or have an opinion of the chest specialist and have a better management of your health problem on day-to-day basis, and thus help you live a better healthy life. So we can divide this into three parts. First is infective conditions, then is non-infective conditions, and third is cancerous conditions or accident or trauma conditions. So you have to understand, first is infection. In infections you will have like pneumonia or upper respiratory tract infections, नज़ला खांसी जुकाम हो गया है. Then lower respiratory tract infections consist of pneumonia or fungal infections और pus, abscess या फिर आपके छाती में पानी इकट्ठा हो गया है. So you have to take these infective conditions into consideration. Second is non-infective conditions. Non-infective conditions can exist with cardiac patients also, kidney patients also, in overweight patients, patient having hormonal changes, patient having metabolic syndrome. So in all these patients also you will have chest problems occurring simultaneously. Then third thing in non-infective can be hormonal or connective tissue disorder. As we say ki you have a birth genetic defect because of various other diseases that are occurring, that you can have sarcoidosis, or you can have other Sjogren syndrome, or you can have Wegener's granulomatosis, or you can have other conditions that are affected in systemic diseases that cause effect on lungs. So you have to take in consideration that you have to consult a chest specialist for these conditions also. Then third is cancer. As everybody knows that cancer patients are rising nowadays. So cancer can have metastasis in lung also. A part of cancer goes into the lung and causes various problems in the lung. Make your lung heavy. You will have chest congestion. It will become difficult to breathe. Secondly, cancer has other effects on your vessels, and that can lead to embolism develop, and which can further cause sudden onset of breathlessness. आपका एकदम से सांस फूलने लगेगा. तो you have to take in consideration that in cancer patients also, so you will have to consult a chest specialist. And sometimes the cancer is of the lung also. So the cancer arising from the lungs, you have to consider the opinion of an oncologist with a chest specialist also. Third thing that is trauma or accident. Like if you have been in a car accident, you have a steering injury, or somebody hits you with a stick, or any other blunt trauma, or you fall down on the road and you have a severe bruise on the chest. In those conditions also you can have a contusion lung injury and other injuries in the lung also. You can have a pneumothorax and other things also. इसमें कहते हैं फेफड़ा फट जाता है. न्यूमोथोरैक्स का मतलब ये है. कंट्यूशन लंग इंजरी का मतलब ये है कि ब्लीडिंग हो जाती है, फेफड़े के अंदर कंजेशन हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से फेफड़ा हैवी हो जाता है, पेशेंट सांस नहीं ले पाता है. तो यू हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिफोर कंसल्टिंग अ चेस्ट स्पेशलिस्ट. सो डू टेक केयर and do know your conditions very well beforehand, and just take a opinion of the specialist to consult to a doctor as soon as possible. Okay, so do take care, and thank you for listening to me for so much long.